Hello everyone, Bethany here. I have an unboxing today from Bellaartdenicole. I actually have quite a few orders that I have to catch up on unboxing. So I'm going to try to do a few unboxings here for you guys. So expect over the next few days to be seeing a lot of Bellaartdenicole unboxings, different orders that I've placed that I am going to catch up on them, by golly. So here's the first one. This one I placed, in May. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the order. In this order should be a diamond painting everything holder, a colored diamond painting stackable tray, one large in mint parfait, and then one large and two smalls in simply silver. So this looks like the simply silver one. I really like that. Gray is one of my favorite colors. Grays and reds and blacks. Yeah, these ones printed really nicely. I can tell that they feel good. All right. I think out of all the sizes, the large size is my favorite. Gosh, that is a pretty color, don't you think? Mint parfait. Yeah. I think that the large sizes are my favorite because they're big enough to hold several diamonds, but small enough to still hold it in your hand if you're diamond painting that way. Really nicely. I like the max trays, but they're a little bit difficult to hold. And the small ones are great, but they don't hold a lot of diamonds. So I think that the large size is my favorite of theirs. And so that's why I ordered one of the mint parfaits in this color. I ordered the set in the gray because I really like that color. Okay. Now this is because I don't have one of these and I was looking for something to hold my baggies when I'm doing those kind of things. Oh, awesome. Okay, here's their card. Oh, and look, I got a sticker in this one. So their stickers that they were doing were for their Butterflies with Diamonds event, which they're no longer doing. So they don't have stickers anymore, but I got a sticker in this one. This is a really pretty one. It's clear on the background. This may have been one of their last ones that they did because this was back in May, I think, that I placed this order. So yeah, that's really pretty. All right, so this comes with sections. This is their rainbow color. Aesthetics, no big deal. Doesn't affect functionality. Okay. This is really pretty. It's kind of shiny. I like the different colors, the variegation, the way that it switches from one to another. I really like that. So these are the dividing sections. They're pink ones. And I think those just slip in those spots there. Yep. And see how there's spots all along here? So you can put them as close or as far away from each other as you want. I was kind of hoping they would be a little more firm in there, but that's okay. I think it'll work fine anyways. Am I doing something wrong? I'm just not sure. That one seems a little bit firmer than the other ones. I think maybe because it's closer to the end. Because this, I don't know if you can... you know, I think that's not supposed to be that way. On this one, see how it's not really connected? I think it's supposed to be connected. I'm going to contact them about that because I'm just not sure. And if it's not right, they'll probably, you know, have me send this one back and send me a new one. So those go in there, and I think if it's connected how it's supposed to, they fit pretty snug. Right here in this section, they don't really, because this is a little floppy. I'm not sure that's how it's supposed to be. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I'll have to try that out before I give my final opinion on it. But so far I would say it's okay. For those of you out there who have tried these, let me know in the comment section if this middle part is normally kind of wiggly like that, or if that's not how it usually is and I should contact them. But anyways, that's really pretty. For an example, we'll put some baggies in because I have some. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice, actually. And these sections make it really nice when dealing with baggies, because when you after you have so many, they tend to kind of, this is not very many, so it's not going to do it, but they tend to kind of fall over or get kind of mixed up like that, you know. So when you have the sections, it's nice because it keeps them, you know, you can section it off so that however many, depending on the type of bag and the materials the bag's made out of, however many, when it starts to slide, you can put that section in there and it'll keep them all upright and in proper order, which is awesome. Because that's the problem I've been having with dealing with bags, just having them even in like a shoebox without these dividers, is they just kind of slip around and get mixed up with each other. So I'm actually not using a shoebox. I'm using a thin, almost this size of a plastic container. I don't know where it is right now, otherwise I would show you. But this is awesome. Let's put some diamonds in some of these trays. And the trays, shake them around a little bit. That'll line them right up. Awesome. These diamonds are actually a little bit smaller than some of the other ones I've done, so they're kind of more difficult to line up, but even so, not too bad in this tray. I love the variety of grays in there. So then after you do your diamond painting, you put the lid on if you want. I usually actually don't, but that's because I don't want to say I'm experienced. That sounds like I'm bragging, but I am experienced to the point that I'm able to do it pretty well without the lid. But if you put the lid on, and then it has this pour spout on it, and you just pour it into your container or your bag or whatever it is you have, and that's it. Very nice, very handy. I love these trays. I can't say it enough. I know that I kind of advocate for them quite a bit, but they're my favorites. They're one of the only ones I've tried, of course, but you know, if you're lucky enough to find something you like on the first try and it works for you, keep using those, you know? Okay, that butterfly doesn't want to leave the mint parfait. Okay. Let's go and try this one. have a minty green color. Let's use that one. Pour the diamonds in. Shake it around to even them up. Tap on the end a little bit. Tap on the side a little bit. Oops, that was a little too hard. Awesome. I love it. Absolutely love it. This is a super pretty color. So then when you're done, tap it on the end to push them back down. Cover it with the lid if you want. Use the spout and pour them in. Now, if for some reason you don't like using the spout on that side, you can have them go to the corner of here and just kind of lightly pour them into whatever container you're using, and that'll work just fine. You just have to do it light and gentle so they don't shoot all over the place. But otherwise, I mean, you can use different. Do whatever works best for you. I mean, you can do it from this end if you want. Anyways, that's what I have for that unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.